Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to know about checking the air distribution system of a frost-free refrigerator.
Objectives. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to check the airflow in the freezer compartment, fresh food compartment, and, if available, the meat keeper compartment. Use a remote sensing bulb thermometer to check the temperature in the freezer compartment, fresh food compartment, and meat keeper compartment. Check for the accumulation of frost in the freezer compartments and the meat keeper department, particularly in areas where high humid air flows into the fresh food compartment. Check for any visible blockages or obstructions in the air ducts or vents. Clear away debris or items that may block the airflow. Inspect the ductwork for any damage or disconnections that might block proper airflow. Let us now take a look at the tools, equipment, and consumables needed for checking air distribution systems in a frost-free refrigerator. Tools, equipment, and consumables. Thermometer with remote bulb sensor. Set of screwdrivers. Set of Allen keys if necessary. Domestic frost-free refrigerator double door. 5 amperes fuse wire and insulation tape. Cotton waste. Now, let us see the preparations needed for checking the air distribution system in a frost-free refrigerator. Task 1. Check the airflow in the freezer compartment, fresh food compartment, and, if provided, the meat keeper compartment of a frost-free refrigerator. Inspect for any visible blockages or obstructions in the air ducts or vents. Remove any debris or items that may block the airflow. Inspect for damaged or disconnected ductwork that may block the proper airflow. Turn on the refrigerator and ensure it is fully loaded with items in both the fresh food and frozen food compartments. Allow the refrigerator to run for at least 2 hours before proceeding with further tasks. Monitor temperature variations across different sections of the refrigerator. Variations in temperature might indicate uneven airflow distribution. Open the refrigerator door, remove the door switch, and short the terminal with 5 amperes fuse wire. Insulate the open terminals with insulation tape and reinstall the door switch. This will make the evaporator fan run continuously. Feel the airflow with your hand in the freezer and fresh food compartments to make sure the evaporator fan is running. If the refrigerator is running but not reaching the required temperatures, stop the unit and open the cover of the evaporator fan compartment using short screwdrivers. Verify whether the fan blade is firmly attached with the blade set screws. Tighten the screws if necessary and reinstall the cover of the evaporator fan compartment. Task 2. Check for frost accumulation in the freezer compartment and meat keeper compartment, as well as high humid air flowing in the fresh food compartment. Insert thin paper between the door gasket and the gasket sealing area on the body of the refrigerator with the door closed. Pull out the paper to check if the gasket seals properly. If the paper comes out easily, it indicates a sealing issue, allowing moisture from the surrounding air to enter and deposit as frost inside the freezer cabinet. Change the door gasket to prevent moisture leakage from the surroundings and improve sealing. Reset the thermostat to the normal cooler position from a low temperature setting. Allow the refrigerator to run and observe the thermostat setting. It should trip to a normal cool position. If the thermostat does not trip to a normal cool position, remove and replace the thermostat. Check the condition of the heater's time delay switch. If a defect is found due to long run, it may stop heaters from running, leading to frost accumulation. Remove the defective time delay switch and replace it with a new one to ensure proper functioning. Recap.
In this topic, we came to know about how to check the airflow in the freezer compartment, fresh food compartment, and meat keeper compartment if available. Measure the temperature using a remote sensing bulb thermometer in the freezer compartment, fresh food compartment, and meat keeper compartment. Inspect for frost accumulation in the freezer compartments and meat keeper section, along with observing high humidity in the fresh food compartment. Examine the air ducts or vents for any visible blockages or obstructions. Remove any debris or items blocking proper airflow. Inspect the ductwork for any damage or disconnection that could block proper airflow. I hope you all understood the processes of checking the air distribution system in a frost-free refrigerator. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.